BrightBYTES! Hey, Champ! Welcome back to BrightBYTES, where learning becomes easy and fun. Today, we're unlocking the secret to using generative AI better. It's all about prompts. Ready to learn how to prompt well? Let's unlock it with the 5 W's. So, what is a prompt?
A prompt is simply what you type or say to an AI. It's your instruction or question. Think of it like giving directions to a robot friend.
But why do good prompts matter?
Because better prompts mean better answers. If you're clear and detailed, the AI gives you results closer to what you imagined.
Okay, so how do we make a good prompt?
There are 3 simple tricks. Be clear, add details, and guide the style. For example, instead of draw a cat, say draw a cute cartoon cat wearing glasses sitting under a tree.
So when should we use prompts?
Anytime. For homework help, art projects, story writing, or even fun experiments. Prompts are like shortcuts to imagination, available 24/7.
And who uses prompts?
Everyone. Students, teachers, artists, designers, even businesses. If you can type, you can prompt. So, prompting well is all about giving AI the right clues and then watching it create magic from your words.
Now it's your turn. Try giving AI a fun prompt. Maybe design a new superhero or write a funny story with monkeys. That's it for today, Champ. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep learning with BrightBYTES. See you in the next one.